Hey guys, what I'm working on today is this S&S 55 millimeter aluminum intake, this Nicecnc fuel rail, and these Fuelmoto 5.5 gallon per second injectors. So I'm just going to do this upgrade and film how it goes. All right, so now I got the air cleaner off, and that is the throttle body, and there's 1 and 2 and 3 that have to come off, and then you just unclip these connectors, yeah, down there. And then the what I'm trying to get at is right in under there. I'm gonna lift, take the tank off, and then also have to go to the other side and disconnect the fuel line. And I am also changing that fuel rail out, so that's gonna have to come out too. And it's basically just swapping everything over, but I'll continue filming the steps. All right, got the throttle body off, and behind that is what I'm going for. And there is the throttle body right there. You can see it's not too dirty. I'm going to clean it up. And that gasket surface, that's the front of it. Clean that up too. There's the plug. But just get that ready to get mounted on there. All right, I took the gas fitting off, and you lift this up here, and then you can pull the line out. I just propped the tank up enough that I can get in here. I didn't actually take the tank off, but you can see these bolts in here that are on the bottom of the manifold. You just take them out a little bit, and one of them was very loose on here. This bike's only got 7,000 miles on it, so you might want to check yours if you get a chance. But I just backed them out. They're still in there. And these just slide onto the bolt. So if you leave them in, when you take out the front, you should be able to pull it out. And then you can use them as guides when you're putting the new one back in. So just, yeah, loosen them up, just take them out a little bit. You can actually turn them with your hands. They get real loose once you back them off. And I used this to get it out. Hopefully I'll be able to do that on the other side too. But yeah, so just leave them in there, use them as a guide, and pull it out from the other side of the bike. All right, there is the manifold out with the fuel rail on top. I'll be changing that over to this one. So I'm just basically going to move everything from that to over here. And I left this loose because I actually had to remove it in order to get to the front manifold bolts. That's what it looks like in there. I'm just going to clean those ports up with a little brake cleaner. Get them nice and clean. And then work on getting this installed. All right, got it all back together. And I'm going to start it up.